everyone! I am back for another DIY. To those that don't know me, my name is Hiba and I'm a DIY fashion and lifestyle YouTuber from London. And if you like my video, then be sure to give me a subscribe. And basically, I filmed another video like this, but I'm doing two DIYs today. I'm filming two DIY videos because the light has been good to me, although I'm worried it's going to be dark soon, and because I'm in the creative mood. So let's do this. So today we are going to be kind of testing something. I've tried it once, freaked out, stopped using it, so we're going to be testing it together. So what it is this wax seal stamp kit that my sister got me for my birthday, and I never got the chance to use it because I didn't do it properly and then I freaked out. So my sister got me a custom stamp. Don't know if you can see that. It's TT from my Celestial self-care subscription box company Trinket Treasures. So she got that so I can stamp stuff for my customers with the cute TT. I love it, so thoughtful. And then we've got different colour waxes. So we've got turquoise, silver, and did I mention this stupid makeup on my face? It's a long story. I mentioned it in the other video. Basically, I just was messing around, and this is what quarantine does, I guess. So just paying to put some clouds on my face, you know, is what it is. So anyway, I've got these 3 wax sticks as well. So it comes in the chip form and the stick form. So we're going to be testing this together to see how it goes. I really hope this works because I was not so successful the one and only time I've tried. So see how it goes. So without further ado, let's go and do this.
Okay, so you need your wax seal set. You obviously don't need this many colours of wax, but if you do, then great. And then you have your lighter as well, and I got a tea light. So I decided to light the tea light, and I was planning on using this to melt the wax. So I gave that a try. So I started off with the turquoise pellet of wax. And then I thought I'd be fancy and I decided to add a silver one as well. So I decided to start with 2 pellets to start off with and just see how that goes basically, because I didn't really know what quantity to do. I had to actually fast forward the speed of that because it took so long with the candle. So I ended up using the lighter, and then I had to kind of move it around a lot just to make sure that the pellets fully melted. And now I am going to pour it. So it's got quite an interesting consistency. It's almost got like a gooiness to it. It's not like wax you might be used to. It's got this flexibility to it. So here I am about to stamp it, and I can already tell from stamping it that that doesn't look like enough wax. Sorry that my hand is in the way, but it will soon move. So then I didn't know how long to leave it on for, so I thought I'd leave it on just, like a minute, maybe just under a minute. That obviously wasn't enough wax. Still looks cool, but I definitely need more wax than that. So next up, I decided to try the candle option. So I just lit the candle with the lighter, and you'll see I also had to fast forward this because it took ages. So let's speed through that. So now I've decided to stamp it when I thought that I had the amount of wax that I wanted. So I'm going to leave it again. I think I don't leave it too long. This is how long I leave it. You can literally, it's the exact timing of this. And I really like that. I think it could do with a little bit more wax, but it's quite nice. So now I decided to stamp this artwork. This art I'm not selling because it was inspired by another artist. I tagged her on Instagram and I basically just liked her art, and so I'm just going to use this as a test. So I had this idea for almost doing like a watermark on your art, or just a technique for, just having your own little extra touch on your art. So I'm starting with the purple, and I'm going to have to fast forward through this because this takes ages. I decided to be more adventurous and add the pink wax as well to mix that in. I was a bit nervous about this, to be honest, because I was worried that the purple would dry before I had the chance to do the pink. So I decided to kind of melt the pink almost on top of the purple so that it would keep that warmth whilst I was doing this. Another issue is making sure that you add enough wax. So yeah. So now I'm stamping it. You can see there's a little bit of wax that kind of splashed when I blew the candle out, but that actually peels off quite easily. So this technique, I was a bit worried that maybe this will peel off after I've done it, but it's relatively secure. So as you can see, that's the final result of the two colours mixed together. Pretty cute.
That's it, guys, it's done. Look how cute. Let me try and focus. Can you see it? I love this idea of stamping your art. I think it really suits the acrylic paint. I don't know if it'll be too harsh on watercolour, but I do think it's really nice on this piece. Makes it much nicer because I wasn't too happy with this piece. So it just kind of makes it a bit more special. And yeah, I'm glad I didn't do the letters upside down because typical me, I would have done a mistake like that, but it's fine. Anyway, I'm going to be quick because my camera battery is about to die, but I really hope you like this tutorial, and I'll be doing more wax seal ideas soon. This was more just a testing video because it's the first time I've ever done wax seals, so I'm really happy how it turned out. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a like and leave in the comments what else you would like me to do, and I will be back with more YouTubes. Mwah, bye!